Hello students, the next poem which we are going to see is The Cloud. This will be a memorization poem for you, okay? So you can read like 1 to 8 lines, 8 lines you can read it out in this thing. So in this poem, we will be seeing about the cloud, which is a gift of nature, okay? So this poem was written by Percy Busy Shelley, and more about the poet it has not been given. Okay, so we will be seeing how the clouds form, or how it moves in the sky, and how it has been nourishes in the sky. Okay, and how it brings a blossom towards the flowers or the sweet buds. Okay, so we will be seeing more about that in this poem. So let us move on to the poem now. I bring fresh showers for the thirsting flowers from the seas and the streams. I bear light shade for the leaves when laid in their noonday dreams. So what happened over here is it brings, who brings, I here means the cloud. The cloud brings rains for the thirsting flowers, that is the flowers will get refresh when it get rains, right? And they bring it from the seas and the streams, and they give a light shade for the leaves when it is laid, when it is lying on the in their noonday dreams. So it gives a light shade for them. From my wings were shaken for the dews that waken. So when the rain falls, it gives a dews on the sweet buds which were sleeping, and they wake up by giving a blooming condition for the flowers. When rocked to rest on their mother's breast as she dances about the sun. So when the sun comes, when the rain stops, and the sun raises, it dances. Okay, who dances? The clouds dances. I wield the flail of the lashing hail. That means I means the cloud. It use the flail means nothing but the wooden tool which it consists, where here compared to the human being when they use the stick to thresh the grain. Okay, so likewise what it flail to lashing hail, that is it uses the wooden tool to break the frozen raindrops. Okay, so and the whiten the green plains under, and then again I dissolve it in rain and laugh as I pass in thunder. So what it does, it comes down and it whiten the green plains. That means it whiten the large stretch of flat land, that is plains, green plains, and it dissolves, and then again I dissolve it in rain. So it goes off when rain comes, and it laughs when there is a thunderstorm. Okay, I am the daughter of earth and water, and the nursling of the sky. So it here it compares to be to the as the daughter of earth and water, and the nursling of the sky means nothing but the sky takes care of the cloud till it sheds water. Okay, and it takes care as the child was taken care by the nurse. So here it has been compared. I pass through the pores of the ocean and stores. I change, but I cannot die. So it says that as a cloud is, it is the mass of condensed water vapor, right? So after rain, what happens? The clouds disappear and the sky becomes clear. Correct. So the cloud changes, and what it happens, the heat of the sun makes the water evaporates into water, and it rain fall downs. And the most important thing what the cloud says, that it doesn't have death. That means when again it has the same cycle. Okay, so the thing which it forms and again it falls down. So these are the routine thing, and it says that I change but I cannot die. So it has no death for it. For after the rain, when with never a stain, the pavilion of heaven is bare. That is, pavilion means the Raj structure. That means when it rains to the earth and the cloud disappears. As it says earlier, that the skies become clear, and the winds and the sunbeams with their convex gleams built up the blue dome of air. So once the rain stops, and it becomes the sky becomes very clear, it shows up like a blue dome of air. Okay, so it how it shows as the blue dome. Okay, I silently laugh at my own cenotaph, and out of the caverns of rain, like a child from the womb, like a ghost from the tomb, I arise and unbuild it again. So what it says, once the cloud gets killed, that is after the rain sheds, shedding its water, the cloud gets killed, right? So the clear blue dome of air appears to the cloud again, and it looks like a cenotaph built. Cenotaph is nothing but a monument which honors the soldiers which were killed in a war, so it is said to be cenotaph. Okay, so it says that though it has been killed, it been raised up again, and it stands up as a cenotaph. Okay, and it's like a child from the womb. That is, it's not only so gentle like a child, but it's also terrible like a ghost. Okay, and it arise and unbuilt it again, so it again comes up. Okay, so this was a quite interesting thing which personifies it itself to the human being, which is happens in the passing time. Okay, so this was a thing which is given about the cloud, and hope you have understood about the explanation part. Just go through the poem, read the poem. In the next class, I will be sending the notes of it. Meanwhile, you have to complete all the notes which I have been given till now. Okay, thank you.